Hi, I'm Melanie Santos, 41 years old, from Barangay Malasin, Santo Domingo, Nueva Ecija, Philippines. I am a single mom with 2 children, 9 and 7 years old. I studied at Central Luzon State University, Bachelor of Science in Elementary Education. I worked as a domestic helper in Hong Kong last February 2019 to February 2021. I served 4 people, 2 adults and 2 children. I do household cleaning, washing clothes, marketing, basic cooking, taking care of the kids, bring them and get there at the school. I also worked in Kuwait last January 2022. I served 2 persons, 1 adult and 1 elderly. I do household cleaning, marketing, cooking, cleaning the house, and taking care of my elderly employer. I am now currently working here in Hong Kong. I came here last April 15, 2024. I served 3 people, 2 adults and 1 kid. I do household cleaning, marketing, washing clothes, ironing, taking care of the children, bring and get there at their school. I want to find a good employer who can hire me based on my qualifications. If you were given me a chance to work with you, I promise to do all my best and perform all my duties in terms of work. Thank you.